All right, so for this homework video, we have problem 11, 15. I'm just going to get you started on that. And then number 31, 15, the directions, find the focus, directrix, and then graph the parabola. So here we have x squared. So therefore we have an up-down parabola. And since that's negative, it's going to be facing down. We look more at that as we go through. We know the coefficient of y is equal to 4p. So we set 4p equal to negative 16 divided by 4. P is equal to negative 4. So now when we graph, we know there's no translations on the x and y. So our vertex is at 0, 0. P is negative 4. So we're going to go down 4 to get to the focus. And then we're going to go up 4 to get to the directrix. And then in terms of accurate graphing the parabola, we're also going to do the LR, which is a length of 16, or the LR is equal to 4p. Excuse me, so we're going to go 8 in both directions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, obviously, I'm not 100% graphing this accurately. Just kind of eyeballing it, but then the LR again is a segment that is parallel to the directrix. This line is parallel to the directrix, goes through the focus, and the endpoints are on the parabola. For number 15, it just gives you the parabola in a different form other than standard form. So to get in a standard form, we want x squared by itself. So we're first going to subtract over the 4y. If we subtract 4y and combine it with 0, that just gives us negative 4y. Then we got to solve for x. Divide by 8, cancels. So we have x squared, and we want to write that as a coefficient. So now your 4p is equal to negative 1/2, and you treat this problem exactly the same as you did for number 11. For number 31, it's a matching problem, but we'll go ahead and just simply graph it. Even though you're matching it with the graph, let's just go ahead and graph it so you see what it looks like. So first off, we have, that's our h value, and that's our y or k value. So, whoops, I'm writing it wrong. Your vertex is 1, 1, so we just go to the coordinate 1, 1 and graph it. We also have a y squared, so we know that is going to be a horizontal facing. Our p value, which is right in there, is positive. And we are going to actually solve and find p. We have 4p equal to 4 because that coefficient is always equal to 4p. So p is equal to 1 is positive, so we're going to move to the right to get to the focus. And then we're going to move to the left to get the directrix. We also know a length of p. 4p is 4. So that means our LR is 4 altogether. So from our vertex, or from our focus, we're going to go down 2 and then up 2. And our parabola is going to look like that. And then you can obviously match it up with A, B, C, or D. That looks like C in the book.